catch you guys on the next video. Changing a photocell. I did one on an exterior electrical panel years ago. It was big enough panel, over almost 200 amps for 3 units. Today I'm doing it on a very expensive light that was installed, and it has a junction box on the bottom. Seems to be the people that cut the grass keep hitting it. So I put a new one in, I bent it up. I tried the smaller one. It didn't work out right because I couldn't thread it in properly, so I had to put the original style back in. That's probably recommended. You got the power going in through the black, going back to the white. You can test that with a proper meter. Testing it with a pen tester doesn't tell you the voltage. The red wire goes to the device. After you cover, per se, the sensor, it gets dark. I tend to cover it with black tape because other stuff doesn't make it dark enough to work. So, heads up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try not to keep it short. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, we're changing a photocell. We took the old one out. This is the old one right here, and the last cut keeps hitting it, and I keep having issues with it, as you can see. So we're going to put a smaller one there. People ask what's the difference. They mostly work the same. The other one you can angle if you need to do that. And there's the door, so you can test your wiring there. And that's the light that we got to fix. Once we get the wiring back in, I'll take the video of the light working by covering the new photocell with some black tape. What I basically did was I cut the red wire so I know which one feeds the light up on top. I know this one feeds the power from the unit. There's a breaker in the unit, and then the white one. So there is 3 wires to both of them. Okay, I think you guys can see that. Okay, that style didn't fit. It has a different way of fitting. This one has to actually be threaded because it has a conduit opening there with threads. Okay? Okay, you see the black to the black there? That's the power coming in. Feeds the photocell. Comes out the red wire when this is dark. And I got my neutrals connected to neutrals. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna put the cover on. I'm gonna test the unit. Okay, the box is still open. You can see the tape on the photocell, so we can test the light. The light is on. Pull the tape off. Now we gotta wait a few seconds. It should shut off. If it doesn't shut off, now I gotta call the company, because we did have this problem before, because there's 2 other photocells on each LED light on top. They're in blue. They're hard to see, but there's 2 other photocells. Okay. It should have shut off already. Tells me I gotta call the company again. I did change the photocell, and the light did the same exact thing, stayed on forever. So telling me that, well, there it is, it went off. So we got it right. Ha! Bye.